Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove ads, legal settings plus data saver. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply reduce ads on Snapchat by opting out audience-based ads and by turning on data saver mode. But if you have Snapchat Plus subscription, then you can simply avoid these kind of ads. But if you don't have one, then you can simply tap open Snapchat and go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side of the corner. And once you find this, simply scroll down and right in your privacy controls, you can find the ad section. Simply tap on ads and tap on ad preferences. Now you can only select audience base. You can simply tap on the audience base section and turn the toggle on or checklist it. So by doing this, you can simply remove ads in legal settings plus data saver mode on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.